Ever wondered where to find the best construction equipment without breaking the bank? Welcome to the world where this question has an answer. It's called Machine Khojo. Imagine a platform where buying, selling, or renting construction equipment is as easy as clicking a button. That's what Machine Khojo brings to the table. First, navigate to www.machinekhojo.com. The user-friendly interface is intuitive and easy to use. The homepage presents you with three options: buy, sell, or rent. If you're looking to buy, click on the Buy button. A page with a variety of construction equipment will open. Here you can filter your search by equipment type, brand, or price range. Once you've found your desired equipment, click on it for more details and the option to add to cart. Proceed to checkout, fill in your details, and voila, your purchase is complete. For those who have equipment to sell, click the Sell button on the homepage. You'll be directed to a page where you can list your equipment. Fill in all necessary information such as equipment type, brand, condition, and price. Click Submit, and your equipment is now available for potential buyers to see. Machine Khojo is more than just a website. It's a marketplace that connects buyers, sellers, and renters of construction equipment. It offers a wide range of equipment to cater to all your construction needs. What's more, it promotes transparency with its detailed product descriptions and customer reviews, allowing you to make informed decisions. Not only does it save you the hassle of physically searching for equipment, but it also provides the convenience of doing it from the comfort of your home or office. To sum it up, Machine Khojo is your one-stop solution for all construction equipment needs. It simplifies the process of buying, selling, or renting equipment, saving you time and resources. So the next time you're in need of construction equipment, remember, Machine Khojo has got you covered.